Hello student, Ikra Primary English Medium School, Un Surat Branch, Standard 3rd, Subject Environmental Studies, Chapter number 11, Name Our Vehicles, Teacher name Samrin Ser Ali. Let's get started. Lesson number 11, Our Vehicles. So, how do we go from one place to another? This lesson deals with the means of transport. It discusses the modes of transport, the number of wheels in which of them, who drive them, etc. So the wheel is the most important invention ever. The wheel is an important invention. Wheels can be used for transportations. For example, before the wheel was invented, people had to walk and carry very heavy things and had to use a boat to get overseas. So let's start the train. Come on children, let's play a game. Climb about the hanging train, blow your whistle and take your seats onto shoulder if you please. Forward, backward, backward, forward, but in a line, don't run outward. Stay in a line and shut your eyes. With open eyes, you will nothing spy. Chuk, 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 the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. On roads of iron, we move to and fro. Here come the light, and there they go. Across the meadow, over the hills, past again farmer's temple's mill, past village wells and a lush green field with broken walls and a potato field. Chug, 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 the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Smoky clouds, fair and crowd, village fair, riders on mares, flocks of birds, clustered herds, bridge and path, dhobi ghat, small tea shop, poodle and flocks. Chug, 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 the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Think and tell, how did you like the poem? So, have you ever traveled in a train? When? So, yes, travel in a train every time we go to my grandma place in summer's holidays. Can a train move anywhere? Why? So, no, a train cannot move anywhere. It can move only on the rail. What is made by rods of iron? So, rods of iron means iron rail on which the train moves. So, what places did the train pass by? So, the train passed by meadows, over the hills, farmers' temples, mill village, wells and a lush green field and a potato field. Here, read and understand. During vacations, all go out of station. Some go nearby, whereas some go far away place. Some of them are going by bus, train or aeroplane. Journey can be done in many ways. Some children had their vacations here. First, I went to my uncle who live in Delhi. Earlier, we used to go from the railway station to his house in a bus. But this time, it was great fun. We went by the bullet train, which went through an underground tunnel. We did not even come to know that cars were running on the roads above the tunnel. Second, it was my bua's wedding. I met many relatives. We had good time eating, drinking and playing. Bhaiya come from America in an aeroplane. Imagine he came from so far but reached here in a one day. Bua looked very beautiful when she was going in the palki. Third, I went to my Nani's house in Kerala where she lived. There is water everywhere. From the station, we could have taken a bus or a taxi to reach her house. Instead, we took a boat straight to her house. It felt a little strange, but we had fun. Fourth, we went to Simla during the vacation. The bus moved on the zigzag road on high mountain. It was very scary. When we looked down, we had to walk long distance in a Simla. My dadi would get tired very quickly. We would make her ride on the horse. I never got tired. I enjoyed walking. My Masi lived very close to our house. Whenever I feel like going to her, I quickly climb on my cycle and rush to her place. Ma and Chotu have to take a rickshaw to go to Nani house. Number 6. I went to my Mamiji's village from the railway stations. There is no bus going to the village, so we went in a bull cart. We crossed lush green field on the way to the village. I loved the sound of the bell tie around the neck of the bull. So the different modes of transport are air, water and land transport, which including rail on railways, road on off-roads transport. So mode of transport, walking, the easiest and cheapest form of transport is to just walk. So common modes of transport: ship, boat, aeroplane, motorbike, three-wheelers. So car and bike is the most used of today kind of transport for personal use. Train is the most used kind of transport around the globe. Thank you.